Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. So for today we're going to make this is going to be a two-part tutorial. I just stitched this simple gown and I wanted to decorate it, so I'm going to show you how I'm going to achieve this simple neckline design. Then the second video would be on how I design the sleeves. So now for this tutorial you would need your glue, you need your glue, you need your scissors, your needle and thread, and your rhinestone. And your rhinestone is very sparkly. And my camera doesn't do this enough justice as it is, but that's it. So I've already done this. I just want to show you how I did the first step will be to apply glue. You can you can sew this straight away, but it dances a lot. As you can see, it's not stable, so I use this glue to hold it in place, after which I would then stitch it with my needle and thread. So the first step will be to apply glue. Sorry, also I've already created an outline, so we'll apply glue on our outline and then we'll start placing our rhinestone. I don't know if you can see this. So we push this, making sure it stays on the gum. Yeah. So we apply the remaining parts. That's it. So now we're going to cut off our excess rhinestone remaining here. Keep it aside. Just slightly press it gently. So as you can see, this is good to go. So the next step and the final step will be to thread our needle. So we're going to thread our needle. If you want it to enter easily, snip the mouth of the thread and you won't have much difficulty. So it was that easy. So I'm going to start stitching. I've knotted the end of my thread, so I'm going to pass it my needle from under. I'm going to sew across here. Let's say after every 3, we'll count 3. It's in between. So the first thing will be to start from this first groove over here. Place our needle, pass our needle, pass it 2 times to secure the thread. And then we'll pass it, let's say, just do it like that. You can count it. If you want to do each one individually, it's your choice. But I'm going to stitch it after every 3 or 2, as the case may be. When you're doing this, another thing is, don't make your thread too long. If not, it will be very difficult to work with. Always pass it by the side, and this is where it's going. Listen, and I put it down. Put it down. So you continue this all through till you're done. So here is the finished. So your dress will look like this when you're done. So I am done attaching my rhinestone, so I decided to move a step further and add beads at the inside of the rhinestone. As you can see, this is much more, and it makes the neckline less simple. It's still simple, but it's more beautiful to me. So to do this, you need our needle and thread. You attach it at the inside, bring it up beside the first, you bring your needle up beside the first cup rhinestone, then pick up 4 seed beads, pull it to the end of our fabric, push it with your hands, then pass our needle where the beads ends here. We're passing our needle down, and you pull it gently. We'll bring our needle back up besides the middle of the 4 beads we just put on. We bring it and pass it through these last 2 beads. So we're going to pick up another 3 seed beads. So that's how we're going to do now. We pick up 3 seed beads. Pick up your seed beads. So this is a 3 seed beads. push it to meet this. Push our needle down. Push our needle down. Pull our thread. Remember we picked up 3 beads, so count 1 2 3 4. The 4th bead, pass your needle bring your needle up beside it and pass it down through all the 4 beads you just counted. Pass it through all the 4 beads you just counted. Pick up 3 beads again. Pick up 3 beads again. Push it to meet the others. We push it and pass our needle down the last bead where the last bead ends. Count your 3 beads plus the 4th bead, that's the last bead you put on. Pass your needle beside it and then pass your needle through all the 4 beads. So that's it. We're going to continue round. So that's it. We're going to continue round till we finish up here, just like as you can see here. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my video. Bye.